Hello and welcome. Now, in a brave and deeply personal moment, Aryan Bangar, the son of former cricketer and coach of Indian cricket team Sanjay Bangar, his son shared her journey of transitioning into Anaya. Anaya is a transgender woman now. This powerful decision to embrace her true identity, right? See here, Aryan has transitioned into Anaya. So Aryan has embraced her true identity. Now this has sparked important conversations about gender identity, self-expression, and the challenges faced by transgender individuals in our society. So, if a person transitions to another gender, that person is referred to as transgender person. Example, if a man transitions to another gender, he will be trans woman. So, for transgenders, the process is about more than just changing their appearance. Why? Because it is also about aligning themselves with their true identity. So, how exactly do people transition to different gender? Transitioning from one gender to another is a very complex journey that involves both medical treatments and personal changes. One of the most important aspects of this transition is hormone replacement therapy. This therapy helps individuals adjust their physical traits to match their gender identity. So let us try to understand what exactly is hormone replacement therapy. Now, hormone replacement therapy is a medical treatment. This is used by transgender people to help their bodies reflect the gender they identify with. For information, in biological males, testosterone is the hormone responsible for male characteristics like facial hair, deeper voice, and muscle growth. And for females, estrogen is the hormone responsible for female characteristics like soft skin, breast development. Now, for transgender women, the goal is about to reduce the effects of testosterone and introduce estrogen, the hormone that promotes female traits such as breast growth and body fat distribution. Hormone replacement theory typically involves taking estrogen and anti-androgens. Now, these anti-androgens block testosterone. Both estrogen and anti-androgen helps to achieve physical changes such as softer skin, fuller breasts, and more feminine body shape. However, the therapy only changes the body's physical characteristics and doesn't affect the genitalia or the genitals, which leads to the next stage in many people's transition, and that is the gender affirming surgery. The gender affirming surgery helps those who want their physical appearance to fully match their gender identity. So, for transgender women, one of the most common procedures is vaginoplasty, which involves creating a new vagina by removing the penis and testicles. This allows a person to align their genitalia with their gender identity. Besides vaginoplasty, some transgender women also choose surgeries like breast augmentation if they want larger breasts or facial feminization surgery to achieve more feminine face. However, not all transgender individuals opt for surgery. Why? Because it's a personal decision, and this decision is influenced by many factors such as health, financial resources, and personal preference. Now, audience, we'll try to understand about the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Bill of the year 2019. Now, while medical treatments and surgeries are key parts of transitioning, legal recognition is just as important. In India, the Transgender Person Bill of 2019 was introduced. Why? to protect the rights of transgender individuals and ensure they are not discriminated against in society. Now, some of the key features of the bill include: 1. Prohibition of discrimination in areas like education, employment, healthcare and public services. The next one is self-identification. Now, the transgender individuals can legally identify their gender without needing surgery or medical certificate. Very, very important. The next feature is criminalization of violence. The bill makes it illegal to harm or abuse transgender individuals, such as through forced genital mutilation or other forms of violence. However, people, despite its positive intention, the bill has faced criticism for not fully addressing key issues such as the lack of access to healthcare and employment opportunities for transgender people. Many activists believe more needs to be done to ensure the bill provides comprehensive support. Now, people, let us try to understand the challenges that the transgender people face. The transgender individuals continue to face numerous challenges even as the legal protections and medical treatments improve. Which are some of the most or key issues they face? One, and the most important, is social stigma and discrimination. The transgender people often face rejection from their families and communities, and this makes it harder to find acceptance in society. The next issue they face is with respect to mental health struggles. The pressure to conform to society's expectations and the emotional toll of gender dysphoria can at times lead to mental health issues like depression, anxiety and suicidal thoughts. The next issue is the economic marginalization. Discrimination in hiring and the workplace often forces transgender people into low-paying jobs or makes it hard to find stable employment. But while these changes are significant or challenges are significant, there are some way forwards. Now, by tackling these issues head-on, we can help create a society that is more inclusive and supportive of transgender individuals. For example, we can create public awareness and education. By raising awareness and educating the public about transgender issues, we can help reduce stigma and promote acceptance. The next solution we can think of is stronger legal protections. By ensuring that the transgender person's bill is properly implemented and that it includes clear provisions for healthcare, employment and education will be a major step forward. Then we can also provide the transgender people with equal opportunities for transgender people in workforce and creating training programs which will help reduce economic marginalization. So people, all in all, the journey towards true equality for transgender individuals is ongoing. But every step forward brings us closer to a society where everyone can live authentically. While legal protections and medical advancement have paved the way for progress, societal acceptance remains a crucial challenge. By continuing to engage in conversations about gender diversity, challenging stereotypes, and fostering empathy, we can build a world where people are judged not by their gender identity but by their character. It is only through their collective action and compassion that we can hope to create an inclusive future where everyone, regardless of gender identity, can thrive without fear or prejudice. Thank you so much for watching.